Okay, Annie. Hi. Did you say Chia? She doesn't want any. Or she does.
Thanks.
Who's that? Well, is that Chiu? Where's Chiu? Where's Chiu? There he is. There he is. Chiu. Where's Chia? Where's Chia? No, that's Chiu. Where's Chia? Where's Chia? Chia. Yay! There I am. Hey, how old is Lydia? One. Where's Lydia? Where's Lydia? Where's the baby? Up. There she is. I see you. More? You can more. Can you say mom? Not with your mouth full? She doesn't want any. Thanks. Lydia, can you blow kisses? Like this. That's so weird, blowing a kiss with a mouthful of food. Kisses.